Hello everyone, very warm welcome you all. In today's video, we are going to discuss important MCQs and objective questions related to Reformation movement. And Reformation movement happened in the field of religion. In that time of the religion that was related to the Catholic Church, and Catholic Church was above all. Pope and Church rules regulations were followed by everyone, every people, and this movement, Reformation movement, was a great impact on that time of the literature also. This movement happened in England and also in the Europe, but English literature was also not untouched with this religious movement which was known as Reformation movement. And friends, आज हम यहाँ पे इसी धर्म सुधार आंदोलन से रिलेटेड कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज लेके आए हैं जो कि इंग्लिश लिटरेचर से रिलेटेड है। एंड आपको रिफॉर्मेशन मूवमेंट से रिलेटेड एक वीडियो मैंने यहाँ पे अपलोड किया हुआ है अपने चैनल पे। आपको लिंक आई बटन पे मिल जाएगा, आप क्लिक करके उसको देख सकते हो उस वीडियो को। एंड in that video I have discussed reformation movement detail way, and in this part I am going to discuss important MCQs related to this particular movement in history of English literature. Let's begin with the first question. And here we have the first question. Who was Martin Luther? We have the option here A, B, C, D. Option A, we have the young monk who challenged the Roman Catholic Church. Option B, we have the events that led to Protestantism. And the C option, we have the Protestant queen who became one of the greatest ruler in English history. And option D, we have organized branch of Christianity, who was Martin Luther. And out of these four options, we you must have gone through the right answer of this question. And the option A is the correct answer. The young monk who challenged the Roman Catholic Church. This was the answer of this question. Martin Luther was the monk who challenged the prevailing corruption and whatever happening in the Catholic Church. He was against of that rule and regulations followed by the Catholic Church, Pope, and other priests of the Christianity, and he challenged the Roman Catholic Church. Religion is not, Christianity is not like that you are telling. He said that words to Roman Catholic Church and Roman Catholic administrators. Next question we have, question number second. What did Martin Luther call his ideas about the problems he had with the Catholic Church? Means what things he had written, what was the compilation of the work he had done, and what was the idea about the problem, and he called that work. Option A we have 95 edict. Option B we have 95 treatise. Option C we have 95 pope, and option B D have 95 thesis. Out of these four options, the correct answer, he had written the work, he had written a concept related to the uh, religion and which was against the Roman Catholic religion. And option D is the correct answer. 95 thesis was the work, was the pamphlet, or what the note and ideas that Martin Luther called his ideas about the problems he had with the Catholic Church. Whatever problems Martin Luther had related to the Catholic Church, and he had written his ideas in this work 95 Theses, and this is very famous work of the Reformation movement by Martin Luther. Next question we have, question number 3. What was Reformation? Yes, what was Reformation? धर्म सुधार है क्या, ये क्वेश्चन पूछा जा रहा है यहाँ पे. एंड ऑप्शन भी है, when Protestant churches and ideas formed breaking away from the Catholic Church, a time when Pope studied humanism and art. C option we have, when the Roman Empire split into two empires, the East and the West. Option D we have, a time when scientists began to use scientific methods and great discoveries were made. What was Reformation? Reformation, जैसा कि आपको पता है, Reformation is related to religion, and option A is the correct answer of this question. When Protestant churches and ideas formed, breaking away from the Catholic Church. Protestant churches or ideas protested. Protest is related to against, किसी चीज को protest करना, किसी चीज के खिलाफ होना, that is related to protest. And there was before this, before Reformation movement, there was only one religion, that was Roman Catholic religion. And after the Reformation movement, and when this movement happened, then there was a true religion related in Christianity. That's what the one Protestant, another one was Catholic. And Protestant were against the Roman Catholic Church's ideas, rule, regulation that were followed till now by the priest, by the Pope, and by the other monks of the churches, and also of the people of the Christian religion. Now moving on to the question number fourth we have. Question number fourth we have, what monk began to question the teachings of the Catholic Church in 1517? Means who was the monk who began to question, who raised question against the teaching, whatever the teaching were prevailed, were taught in the Roman Catholic Church in 1517? Who was the man, who was the monk who questioned the rules, regulations, and whatever the things going on in the Catholic Church? We have the option A, B, Thomas Aquinas, option B, Martin Luther, option C, Richard of Wallingford, option D, we have Saint Benedict. Out of these four options, the correct answer, you must have given the answer. Yes, B. Martin Luther was the monk who questioned the teachings of the Catholic Church in 1517. That he was the man, he was the monk who was questioned the raised the questions against the Roman Catholic Church and its rules and regulations. Question number fifth we have, what did the Catholic Church do to Martin Luther for publishing his 95 थीसिस? यस, जो 95 थीसिस इनका वर्क था, जब मार्टिन लूथर ने इसको पब्लिश किया था, देन व्हाट कैथोलिक चर्च हैड डन, व्हाट स्टेप कैथोलिक चर्च हैज टेकन अगेंस्ट हिम? वी हैव ऑप्शन ए, read his complaints and try to address them. Option B, had him killed. Option C, kicked him out of the church for being heretic. And option D, we have the forgave him. Out of these four options, the correct answer we have here, the correct option related to this question is option C. Yes, friends, option C is the correct answer. Kicked him out of the church and for being a heretic, means he was against the rules, against the mindset, against the things going on in the Roman Catholic Church. And when he published 95 Theses and he raised a question against the Roman Catholic Church religion, then he was kicked out of the church for being a heretic. Next question number 6 we have, what led to the Reformation? Yes, what led to the Reformation? What was the reason of Reformation movement? Reformation movement किस वजह से हुआ? What was the cause? What was the main cause behind this movement, Reformation movement? Option A, we have the invention of the printing press. Option B, more people able to read the Bible. Option C, we have more people reading. Option D, we have all the above. Yes, friends, the correct answer is option D. All the above is the correct answer, and this is the option related to this question. What led the Reformation? The invention of printing press. Yes, obviously, because before this, Pope was above all, Church was above all. Whatever they taught to the people, they were only following that rules and guidelines that was given to them by the Church, by the Pope. But after the invention of the printing press, Bible was very cheaply available in the markets, in the masses of the people of the Europe and England also. And after reading what was, and that was translated into English, that was also one thing, because people were now familiar with the, and Bible was in the language that people were aware, that people were speaking, that people was habitual. And after reading the Bible, they came to know that what is exactly Christianity, what is exactly Christian religion is all about. They thought about this, and after this, and these all things led the Reformation movement. Now moving on to the next question. Question number 7, we have, what war was the result of Reformation? We have option A, B, C, and D. A option, the 30-year War. B option, we have the War of the Priests. C option, the First Crusade. And the option D, the Byzantine Civil War. What was the result of Reformation? Yes, Reformation, that was the movement happened in England and Europe. And what was the reason, if especially in England it was happened, and what was the reason, what was the result of this movement? This is मूवमेंट का, इस जो ये सुधार आंदोलन था, धर्म सुधार आंदोलन था, इसका रिजल्ट क्या हुआ? And the option A is the correct answer. Yes, the 30 years war was the is the correct answer, and this war happened in 1618 till 1648. But from 1618 to 1648, this was the time duration of this war, and this happened between the mindsets of the Roman Catholic फॉलोअर्स एंड प्रोटेस्टेंट फॉलोअर्स. जो प्रोटेस्टेंट एक रिलीजन था, जो इसके अगेंस्ट में रोमन कैथोलिक रिलीजन के अगेंस्ट में एक प्रोटेस्टेंट धर्म बनाया गया था बाय द रिफॉर्मिस्ट, एंड दिस हैपेंड in 1618 to 1648. That's why it was called 30 years war, and it was related to the religious mindset of the two religious parties, that were Roman Catholic, and another one was the Protestant religious mindset. Number 8 question we have, what practice allowed people to gain forgiveness by giving Catholic Church money? Yes, ये बहुत ही important question है, and this is the very important thing happened during the time of the Roman Catholic religion was above all. And what was people allowed? They are doing, they were doing sin, and they had a chance to forgive from their sin or to contemplate. These were the things were happening in the Roman Catholic Church, and this was the thing that the reformists were against of this. And what practice were allowed? A option, we have golden forgiveness. B, we have fee of for sinners. C, we have paying indulgences, and D, we have bribing. What practice allowed people to gain forgiveness from by giving the Catholic Church money from the Roman Catholic Church? If they are doing sin, if they were they are doing sin, then they had a chance to uh, go away from, or to in away their things, their sin, from paying indulgences. Yes, friends, this is the correct answer. Option C is the correct answer. Paying indulgence was the things, the practice were very much popular during that time, and it was a, you can say that, ticket to heaven. Yes, if you are, you have done sin in your life, you have done wrong things in your life, then pay indulgence to the Roman Catholic churches, and all your stains will be stained away, or your crimes or your sin will be washed out. ये एक माइंडसेट था पोप्स का, एंड उस टाइम के लोग भी इसको बहुत ज्यादा फॉलो करते थे, एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट देयर वाज अ करप्शन at a high level in the Roman Catholic churches. Next we have, and this is the last question of this video, and you will get the second part of this video also, because जो questions हैं, कुछ important questions मैं और इसी रिलीजियस मूवमेंट से रिलेटेड लेके आऊंगी, रिफॉर्मेशन मूवमेंट से रिलेटेड। आपको वो सेकेंड पार्ट भी इस वीडियो के बाद मिलेगा। एंड नंबर 9 क्वेश्चन, गुटेनबर्ग प्रेस लेड टू? ऑप्शन ए वी हैव led to indulgence. B, we have led to excommunication. C option, we have led to increased literacy. And option D, we have led to the heresy. What is the Gutenberg press did during that time? And Gutenberg press was invented by John Gutenberg during the time of the Renaissance period, and it was the press that led people to increase the literacy. Yes, option C is the correct answer. and very easily, very cheaply, they can get the religious books in their own language. And this was happened just because of the press, printing press that happened, that invented during that time of the Renaissance, and it played important part in Renaissance and Reformation movement. And it was invented by Johann Gutenberg, and the credit goes to him of this. And friends, yes, I had already told you that this is the first part of the video. You will get the second part of this particular movement, religious movement, Reformation movement, in on this channel, English Zone. Please stay connected and also check out the religious movement, this Reformation movement in details in the I button. And thank you very much for watching this.